How to download Gacha Art on iOS and Android devices. First, go to Settings, General, Background, App Refresh and make sure it's turned on. As well, go on App Store settings here and make sure the automatic downloads are on. Then you have to go to any browser and type for scarlet3.com. And then you should find the Gacha Art app around the third position here. Press on the download button on the side and simply wait for the installation to complete. It's around 225 megabytes, so make sure you have Wi-Fi connection on here in case, of course, you have unlimited 4G data. So click allow here and then go back again to the settings page, and at the very top you should see this profile downloaded. Press on it and then press on install here. This will install the Gacha game on our iPhone device, guys, and when you go back to the home screen, at the very end you should see the Gacha Art game. So simply go ahead and open it up, and now you can enjoy playing Gacha Art on your iOS devices. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.